In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you're trying to make edits and nothing is happening on a specific video track, there's a good chance that track is locked. This is actually a very common situation in DaVinci Resolve, especially if a track was locked earlier to prevent accidental changes. The good news is that unlocking it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. To begin, go to the track section in your timeline. This is the area where all of your video tracks are listed, usually along the left side of the timeline panel. Each track has its own controls, and this is where you'll be able to manage whether a track can be edited or not. Next, find the video track that you're unable to edit. If a track is locked, you may notice that clips on that track can't be moved, trimmed, or changed the way you expect. That's your sign that the track is currently protected from edits. Once you've found the correct track, look to the left side of that track. In the track controls, you'll see a small lock icon. This icon tells you whether the track is locked or unlocked. If the lock is enabled, that's what is preventing you from making changes. All you need to do is click the lock icon. As soon as you click it, the track will be unlocked, and you should immediately be able to edit that video track again. That's it. It's a very simple fix, but it can save a lot of frustration if you're wondering why DaVinci Resolve suddenly won't let you make changes. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're unlocking the correct track, especially if your project has multiple video layers. It's easy to click the wrong one if you're working quickly. Also, remember that locking tracks can be useful when you want to protect certain clips from accidental edits. So this feature is there to help you stay organized while editing. If your track still doesn't seem editable after unlocking it, just double-check that you selected the correct video track in the track section and that the lock icon is no longer active. That's how to unlock video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know where the lock control is, it becomes a very quick part of your editing